that's pretty cool. That must be like the stock location.
Yeah, I guess so. It was there when I bought it. So.
Yeah. All right. Oh, big lift.
Yeah.
Oh, solid.
Oh yeah. I'm hoping to.
Did you take this off? Was there something here? Or?
Nah, he took that off before I bought it.
Okay.
But I'm hoping to get a C-pillar in here.
Oh yeah.
With 415s, kind of get caps and chairs back here.
Yeah.
Do kind of like a walk-in.
Okay.
Got the two 270s on the hood.
Good electrical then.
Oh yeah, it goes up.
Yeah.
Well, if my music will ever load. Technical difficulties.
It's all right. What subs are these? You said a Teramps 8K?
Yeah, it's a Skar VXF 15.
VXF. 1 ohm?
It's at 2 ohm.
2 ohm. Okay, so it's a 2 ohm amp at 2 ohm.
It's a 1 ohm amp.
So you're at half power.
Live life, seize the moment. Them bad bitches on the same shit we on. Paper. Yeah, I know you're tryna fuck something likes on my IG, but I ain't tryna love nothing. I just wanna slide, hit the club with some ass touching, take it to the house, throw some racks, and we back fucking. Bad bitch, got her own cake, money in the bank, got her own safe. Set the record straight. To the house, throw some racks, and we back fucking. Give it to me right now. To the house, throw some racks, and we back fucking. To me right now. That bitch got her own cake, money in the bank, got her own safe. Set the record straight. Prepare them nachos. house, threw some racks, and we back fucking. Give it to me right now. You're free. Come shit. Get to the house, threw some racks, and we back fucking.
That's good.
That shit gets
That's
down.
about the voltage. That helps
Yeah.
a lot. Heck yeah.
Definitely.
Awesome. And your name?
Alec Wilson.
Alec Wilson. All right.
I was the one that used to have the Montero.
I remember. You had
Yeah.
218s in a 6th order last
Yeah.
show. Can I see the box?
Yeah.
Thanks for the demo, man.
No problem.
Great bandwidth. And you said you're going to a 4th order.
Yeah, I'm thinking about it.
Okay. What's this tuned to?
37.
37. All right. And this is a 2 ohm. You're what, 2 ohm on a 1 ohm?
Yeah.
All right.
Running 2 on.
I like that. That's pretty cool. That must be like the stock location.
Yeah, I guess so. It was there when I bought it. So.
Yeah. All right. Thanks, man. What's going on, everybody? This is Jacob Viral ending this video to say thank you for watching my videos. Every single day I have a daily cardio video I upload. So if you haven't already, go ahead and hit that subscribe button and notification bell, and I'll see you tomorrow.